Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to test the jet pump in a 22 hotspot spa. If you press the jet pump button and nothing happens or it makes a buzzing sound, you could have a bad GFCI breaker, a bad jet pump, a bad fuse, or even a bad control box. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: multimeter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the equipment door and control box lid. Step 2. Turn your multimeter to at least 300 AC volts. Make sure it has a fresh battery. Step 3. Check the incoming voltage on the terminal block. Pace and Stride models should have 115 to 120 volts between N and L1 or 230-240 volts between L1 and L2 if converted. Relay and Rhythm models should have 230-240 volts between L1 and L2. If the voltage is less than 110 volts or less than 220 volts, it means you have a low voltage issue. It could be a bad GFCI breaker. Call an electrician to have the breaker tested. If the voltage is good, move on to the next step. Step 4. Press the jets button once. Place one lead on K6P low speed and the other on K5P pace and stride, or P15 relay and rhythm. You should get a reading of 115 to 120 volts on your multimeter, pace and stride, or 230-240 volts relay and rhythm. If you have good voltage going to the jet pump but it's still not working or it's making a buzzing sound, it means you have a bad jet pump. Step 5. If you have no voltage going to the jet pump, disconnect the power and check the jet pump 1 fuse for continuity. If the fuse is bad, replace the fuse. Step 6. Reconnect the power and press the jets button once. If the fuse is good, but you still have no voltage going to the jet pump, it means you have a bad control box. You must replace the 78448 control box pace and stride or the 77726 control box relay and rhythm. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.